Vespa restoration.
Welcome back, guys. So it's been a long time since we've been here. The Rover's gone now, so we found a new project to do. We're fixing a Vespa 2003 model. So that's what our videos are going to be about from now on. And welcome back. So we're just going to turn these off and then plop them out. So we take them off. And then we're going to...
So this front cover, we just undid the screw down there and the screws that were under there and there. There we go. And this should pull off now. If there's not enough clearance, I think we can turn this way, and now this should pull out.
Yeah.
And it will resist a bit, but that's normal because there's some clips. Now it comes out, and then you disconnect all the wiring. So the purple one went there, the yellow one went there, the black one goes there. And this one just pulls out like a light. And then we can start, we're going to just keep deconstructing until we figure out what needs doing. We're just assessing the quality of it.
This is broken off, so it will need replacing. It's a bit old and it's all broken inside. So we'll replace that.
So although it still kind of works, it's not safe because it wriggles around and it's missing that bit there. And we've got a battery on order. This seat clip is a bit dodgy too. If you want to lift that off, just get rid of the tape.
So we just took off the seat, and the battery usually is in there, but we have it on order right now so we can replace it because the old battery was all worn out and ran out. That part is all rusted, so where the seat actually locks in, the thing is actually broken, so we'll have to replace that as well, and replace all of the locks and screws. We're going to take all of this out. The engine's in there, and then that part is still there. So there's like a little spot where the battery goes. So we'll take this one out as well. That's the whole entire thing.
So there's the drain hole from the battery cover. Needs a bit of cleaning up in there. Oh, there's a relay. I wonder if that even works. That could be why it doesn't start underneath. There's a relay in it. I've never heard it click. Even when we had power.
So these are the fuses that we just got to get there. So
15 amps for the starter, I'm thinking. And maybe something else. We'll have to look up a wiring diagram, which I can put into the video.
So that's the fuel, we just unscrew the gas goes into.
And everything's been drained from this, so the fuel's been drained and all that, so we've got a fair few things to work through. Okay, so Lachlan's just going to see if we can get these rusty old threads off. I might have to spray some WD-40 if they don't start coming. That one's coming at least. That it's spinning on a spot like that. I wonder where it's spinning. Does it pull out? Seems like it's stuck. Careful, it's rusty. Just put it in the battery box for now.
Then this one.
Yeah, and I think keep it very straight when you put it in.
I don't think it'll fit.
Is that one too big?
Too big.
We don't want to burr out these screws. Oh no, that one's in. So we're just going to keep it very straight so the rust doesn't like break off. Just keep a little bit more that direction, like that there. So you can get them out. Okay, that one's come off.
Last one.
There's two on the front here, they look really rusty. Hopefully they don't get stuck. I'm hoping we don't have to drill them out, but they look pretty bad. That one's starting to lose its thread. Maybe we can do it by hand just a sec. Yeah, it's starting to lose all of its. I'm gonna have to put new screws on this one, I think. Let me try again. Doesn't seem to want to go. Just keep it very straight though.
There it goes.
Okay, now that one is going to be interesting because it's very rusted. So let's get it in very straight to start with. I don't think it's going to go. Oh yeah, here we go. Try and get that one out. Keep it straight. Yeah, if it's not straight it probably won't turn because it's very rusted. Okay, I might be able to get this out by hand now. There we go.
This last one. This one's like really bad.
So keep it very straight, otherwise it's not going to work. Doesn't want to work. It's not looking like it wants to play. I might have to use an extraction bit to get one out.
So we finally got it loose a little bit. Just gonna slowly
Just keep it straight and push down as you're doing it, it'll make it easier.
probably do over here now.
Yeah, just make sure you wash off all the rust. We don't want tetanus. Yeah, it's still stuck. Might give it a quick brushing.
Better.
There we go. Now just take off the fuel cap again. Then we should be able to remove the plastic.
Yeah.
Right.
the wiring's all there for
The fuses are still there. Now we can get to this, which I think is probably, should just pull off, I'm thinking. Do you want to try and pull that off, Lachlan? Just pull upwards. Now maybe pull up on the bar from the middle.
Yeah.
And keep it straight as you pull. Oh, that's very old.
Yeah.
Very old plastic. Okay. I might have to try a different way. You just hold that. Oh, it's very old. It doesn't even want to come off. So it's a relay. We're going to replace this relay, so I just want to get it off. I've already ordered a new one. Gonna have to pry it off, I think. It's really stuck on there. It probably doesn't look too bad actually on the inside. I don't know why it's so stuck. I've never seen a relay stuck like this before. It's probably never come off since the thing was originally made. There we go, finally got it off. That's the in this side of a relay. It's basically just an electromagnet that pulls a piece of metal towards it. When it contacts, it lets the power through, and then when it goes away and has no power, it doesn't let the power through. So you can have a low voltage switch like the starter motor, which is this thing here. When you start it, you push that, and I'm guessing this is the starter relay, just judging by where it is. When you push that, the low voltage starts the coil, pulls this together, and then lets the high voltage current go to the starter motor in there. So the important thing for replacing this is I get the right kind. So it's a 12 volt 80 amp, and here's the diagram of how it works. So I just need to make sure we match that up for the exact type.
So I'm just going to unscrew this.
It's going to be a tough one. Oh, make sure you keep it very straight and push downwards. Too tough. Oops. I'm going to have to get a bigger screwdriver.
This one's really hard.
Oh, no,
That's
screwing it.
spreading it.
I lose the threads. No, it's not very happy with that. Well, there's only one screw, the other one's already missing, which is interesting. We might come back to that later. Looks like it's going to be problematic.
We're just checking how much brake fluid we have, so we're just unscrewing the meter where it tells us and where we put it in. Because we actually think there's no brake fluid in the actual car thing.
And the little sight window is very dirty, so it's hard to even see. Probably get a whole new version of this to put in, I'm thinking. So it's hard to see what's going on. Very crusty, I can't even get it open. Oh, that doesn't look good. That's very crusty, musty brakes. We'll have to give that I think we'll have to get a new one of those. I've never seen brake fluid that looks like that before. Wow, that's new. Okay, we've got some. We're gonna have to get a whole new brake system, I reckon. I don't know if that's even worth cleaning up. So this is very crusty. Just squeeze that, Lachie, see what comes up. It's got liquid, but it's also got a bit of jam going on. I'm gonna clean this out and then we're gonna splash it and see what goes on. But it's not looking good. So we're gonna just put a bit in here just to clean it slowly. A little bit at a time. Don't get it on the paintwork because it will strip the paint. I'm gonna use this just really to clean the brake lines with the brake fluid itself, because I'm not sure how much of this jelly is inside. Okay, put the lid on. I'll give it a squeeze and see what comes up, air bubbles or... And then I'll do this one at the same time. So yeah, you can see a bit of sludge coming up as you squeeze it. I'm wondering if the whole brake lines have got that sludge in it. So if you look carefully, now you squeeze it, Lachie, see the sludge coming back up. You're gonna have to flush all the brake lines. Yeah, it's looking pretty yucky. We're just going to screw that back on for now and let that sit. We will another day when it's not raining outside start to tear down a bit further, and we'll have to bleed all the brakes, but we'll leave some fresh fluid in there. That's enough for that one, Lachie. And we'll leave that fresh fluid in just to try and eat away at any of the cruddy stuff. The side window's still so cruddy, we'll have to give it a good clean later. Oh, this needs a lot of replacements, I reckon.
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Toodaloo.